Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to explore. Chatbots for small businesses, affordable AI solutions for big results. If you're a small business owner looking to revolutionize your customer service and engagement, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. The rise of chatbots in recent years has transformed the way businesses interact with their customers. What was once considered an exclusive tool for big corporations is now more accessible and affordable for small businesses. 80% of businesses are expected to use chatbots by 2025. 63% of consumers prefer messaging a chatbot for efficient customer service. The benefits of chatbots for small businesses are remarkable. Let's explore them. Enhanced customer support, 24/7 availability, quick response times, personalized interactions, increased efficiency, automating repetitive tasks, freeing up time for core operations, cost savings, eliminating the need for a large customer support team, improved lead generation and conversion, guiding customers through the sales funnel, data collection and analysis, gathering valuable insights for business growth. The good news is that there are affordable AI solutions specifically designed for small businesses. Let's explore some of these chatbot tools. ChatFuel is a popular chatbot platform that allows you to build Facebook Messenger chatbots without coding. It offers a user-friendly interface and customizable templates. ManyChat is a powerful chatbot platform that integrates with multiple messaging platforms, including Facebook Messenger and Instagram. It provides a drag-and-drop builder and offers features like drip campaigns and audience segmentation. Botsify is a chatbot platform that offers both visual and AI-driven chatbot development. It provides seamless integration with websites, Facebook Messenger, and other platforms. Botsify also offers customizable templates and advanced analytics. MobileMonkey is a chatbot platform that focuses on Facebook Messenger marketing automation. It offers features like chat blasts, drip campaigns, and appointment scheduling. MobileMonkey also provides built-in lead generation tools and analytics. LiveChat is a live chat and chatbot platform that enables real-time customer support. It offers customizable chat widgets, AI chatbots, and integrations with various platforms. LiveChat also provides advanced reporting and customer engagement features. Getting started with chatbots for your small business is easier than you might think. Here's how you can get started. 1. Define your chatbot's purpose and goals. 2. Identify potential use cases and customer interactions. 3. Choose the right chatbot platform based on your business needs and budget. 4. Design conversational flows and craft engaging chatbot messages. 5. Test and refine your chatbot for optimal performance. Chatbots for small businesses truly offer affordable AI solutions for big results. Embrace the power of chatbots and witness the transformation in your customer service and engagement. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you next time.